It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and the June garden tour. You cannot see any bits of ground apart from here. These are my aubergine eggplants. One of the peppers, well, a couple of the peppers, what I thought were peppers, are actually tomatoes. But these are all peppers. And as yet I haven't got peppers. Oh, it's starting to make flowers. Some of them are. So there's a good possibility I'm going to have some peppers this year. The last month I showed you this little teeny tiny cucumber plant, and it's grown to about, it's 4 foot high now. So I should have put my contraption up, but I haven't as yet. But can you see there? It's a variety called White Wonder. So hopefully in a week or so that'll be ready to pick. The melon plant is doing quite well. I'm just gonna have to have a good look at it. Those Turk's turbans I told you about that I put at the front of this greenhouse, I have started vining down on the stones. Yes, can you see? It's vining down on the stones. I am using this other camera today because it might be better with the noise, because it is windy at times. But all those peas, I have harvested them, and I think I've had a total with these peas and the one in the greenhouse, I've had about a total of £5 apiece. They were still in the pods when I weighed them. I've had about £5 of first early potatoes from 3 pots that was soil. But look how the sweet corn is coming on, and these climbing beans. Where the peas were, I've actually put in Brussels sprouts. Still got these lettuces, but I've put in Brussels sprouts, and I've sown some carrot seeds. So, third time this year trying to grow carrots. These are exploding. I put this mesh over them. Basically, the cabbage hasn't been nibbled or anything, but the others have. So it's basically there as a, try and protect them. But the cabbage are bursting out at the bottom. These courgette zucchinis, I've been harvesting a few smaller ones, but now they're getting bigger. I harvested 3 largish yellow ones yesterday, which we had roasted up for tea with other things. But as you can see now, there's a green one, another green one on the same plant. We've got a really big one there. So those, I'll be picking them in the next couple of days, and we'll have a courgette curry. My sweet peas have been out. Yes, if there's noise on this, I'm sorry about it. My peas that I'm saving for seed, here's green shaft, they're more or less ready. I'll pick them all in about a week's time, make sure they're fully dry, and that's my Hearst green shaft pea seeds for next year. Tomatoes, have just started flowering. My Jerusalem architects are going brilliant. This in the middle, it isn't. It's the same variety as those that are bursting out. But can you see me strawberries? I've been harvesting these and having them in a milkshake, kefir milkshake. Lovely. Me shallot potatoes have never grown that big, but one is starting to yellow up, so I think I might be pulling these in a couple of weeks. Just see what I've got. Those other first earlies that went in a bit late, they're beginning to droop a bit, so I will be harvesting them soon. My broad beans, I've got more beans on them. Yes, those my onions. Some that I put in from sets, they've gone to seed, so I've pulled those, and I've been pulling a few of me multi-sown ones just for it as salad onions. These courgette summer squash plants are just starting flowering. They're summer squash, all three of them. So we'll see what we get off those. Large greenhouse. Tomatoes getting quite big now, and the marigolds in between them. In fact, I have got some tomatoes set on it. I've also got dwarf beans here, which I will be harvesting soon because they've got flowers on. But the lettuce is still going strong. I put celery here down the front. I put celery, so I'll be harvesting that when I want it. Cucumber plant, growing big. I planted another melon plant up there, and it's beginning to trail a bit, so I'm just going to leave it to do that. The other one this side didn't seem like it was doing anything apart from getting ready to die. That's why I put the other one in, but it seems alright now. More celery, but we'll be going in different places. Leeks at the bottom. Leeks are potted on. This, I grew 2 strawberry plants from seed, and they haven't put fruit out or anything this year, but they're looking really well, healthy. Probably won't potting on, but they're putting runners out, so I'll have more, because those other strawberry plants are putting runners out. I may have had another mishap with labels, because I think those tomatoes on there are Tigerella and there should be some more in. Oh well. But it was peas, peas and more peas. Now it's tomatoes, tomatoes, marigold, tomatoes and more tomatoes. And then I've got a couple of dwarf beans in here as well. And a courgette, because I've got a bit of space, so I'll put it in. But that's where we are at the moment. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.